Thank you all so much for being here. I can't believe it. I am so overwhelmed. It's not even it doesn't even begin. Yeah. I know we started a little late. I brought the wrong strap. She's never put new strings on before a gig. I think I've learned after playing for 50 years. You know what? I had kids. They've never stopped harassing me since day one. But I'm up here with my 3 sons. Avery Weissman on the bass, my oldest. Well, almost oldest. My guitar tech, my sound tech, my source of inspiration, my son Ethan. And the young gentleman, good-looking guy behind me, is my bro's son. Sometimes he's my brother, sometimes he's my son. Nelson Weissman Rivera. We're going to have a number of wonderful musicians that I worked with over the years and work with now too.